friends, today we are going to make this yummy-delicious soybean and moong dal dahi vada, and this is very simple to make. So let us see how to make this dahi vada. Okay, so first thing first, what we are going to do is soak 1 cup of soybean and 1 cup of moong dal in enough water for 1 to 2 hours, and then just add them in blender. And we are going to make a thick paste, so we will not add much water to it, but just the water to make a smooth and thick paste. Here we are adding about 1 teacupful of water, and then we are going to just blend them properly. After making the paste, we are going to keep this for overnight, and we are going to make the dahi vadas on the next day. But if you don't have time, then keep it for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours. Our overnight kept batter is ready, and now we will see what next ingredients we need for this dahi vada. We need about 1 bunch of coriander leaves. Then you can take either black mustard seeds or yellow mustard seeds, whatever is available. This is black salt. Here we have 1 small bunch of curry leaves, a fat pinch of turmeric powder. Then we have, this is baking soda, about 1.5 teaspoon. This is grated ginger, about 1 teaspoon. Here we have chopped green chili. Then we have sugar for a sweet note to the dahi vada. And then we have black pepper powder. This is roasted cumin seeds powder. We have oil for frying, and because it is dahi vada, we need curd or dahi. Here we have taken about 300 ml of dahi. Now the most crucial part, that is the mixing part, begins. To the batter we are adding black salt, and then we will add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Then we will add chopped coriander leaves. After that we are going to add about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of chopped green chilies. We will add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and then we will add baking soda. This is also 1 teaspoon. Then we will add the roasted cumin seeds powder. We are adding 2 to 2.5 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder, and then we will mix all of them properly with hand or with a whisk. So friends, here we are just adding oil, and you can add any vegetable oil. Here we are taking soybean oil, and we will wait till the oil is hot. So in high heat, about 1 to 2 minutes later, the oil is hot. Now we are adding the vadas. We are making little balls and adding it in the hot oil, dumpling style. So we will add them one by one, and be very careful because the oil is hot. Here we are frying the vadas. You can see we have just deep frying them from both the sides. The vadas will be light brown in color, and you can see how fluffy they have become. It's looking yummy, and vadas are done, light brown in color, fluffy also. So we are just taking them out from hot oil, draining extra oil, and adding them to warm water. Don't take hot water, just take warm water, and keep them here for about 5 minutes. The vadas will be softer and fluffier also. So let us repeat the process again. We are just going to take them out from oil, drain extra oil, and add them in warm water. Now after 5 minutes, we are going to take out the vadas from water, and then we are just going to drain the extra water and transfer them to a bowl. See the repetition of the process. Just take the vada out of water, drain extra water, and transfer them to a bowl like this. We are going to do the same process for all the vadas, and then we will come back. So after making the vadas, now we are preparing the tadka, and we have taken about 7 to 8 curry leaves, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and about 1 teaspoon of oil, and now we are heating it. and now the mustard seeds have started splattering and the curry leaves are almost done. So we will now remove this tadka from heat and let it cool down before adding them to our curd. Now we are preparing our curd mix for the dahi vada. So we have taken about 250 ml of curd and about 50 ml of water and mix the two properly, and we kept 50 ml of curd aside for later use. So now we will add green chili, chopped green chili. Then we will add about 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, about 1 teaspoon of sugar, about 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, about 2 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds powder, and then we will add a fat pinch of salt and we will mix them properly. And after that we can add the tadka, as the tadka is almost cool now. So let us mix it properly and then we will add the tadka. Yes, mixture is done. There is no lump to this mix. So let us add the tadka now. Yes, and we will mix this tadka with our curd, and our dahi vada curd is. So now to the serving dish we have added 1 layer of our prepared curd. Now we are just dropping the vadas or the fritters to our serving dish, and after that we are just going to pour the curd over the vadas. Now the vadas will soak in curd for about 15 minutes. Now we have added the extra 50 ml curd which we kept aside, and then we just garnished with cherries, tamarind chutney, coriander leaves and some bhujia, and our dahi vadas are ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.